Hi, my name is Sumi Aisyah Maisara binti Razali, BDB 2211033. I would present question number 1. First, I want to explain about consumer price elasticity of demand. To calculate the price elasticity of demand, we can use the formula. The formula is percentage change in quantity demand at percentage change in price. Let's calculate the percentage change in quantity demand first. Initial quantity demand, quantity 1 equal 1 RM120 at RM0.80 equal 150 units. Final quantity demand, quantity 2 equal RM120 at RM1 equal 120 unit. Percentage change in quantity demand equal Q2 minus Q1 at Q1 multiply 100, 120 minus 150 at 150 multiply 100 minus equal minus 13 at 150 multiply 100 minus 20%. Next, let's calculate the percentage change in price. Initial price equal RM 0.80, final price RM 1 ringgit. Percentage change in price equal final price minus 1 at initial price multiply 100 equal 1.00 minus 0.80 at 0.80 multiply 100 equal 0.208 at 0.80 multiply 100 equal 25%. Now we can substitute the value into the PED formula. PED is percentage change in quantity demand at percentage change in price equal negative 20% at 25% equal negative 0.8. The consumer price elasticity of demand is negative 0.8. Is demand for this product elastic, inelastic, or unitary elastic? To determine whether the demand for this product is elastic, inelastic, or unitary elastic, we can look at the magnitude of the PED value. If the absolute value of PED is greater than 1, demand is considered elastic. If the absolute value of PED is less than 1, demand is considered inelastic. If the absolute value of PED is equal to 1, demand is considered unitary elastic. In this case, since the PED is negative 0.8 less than 1, the demand for this product is considered inelastic. To calculate the cross elasticity of demand CED for good Y with respect to the price of good X, we can use the following formula. CED equal percentage change in quantity demand of good Y at percentage change in price of good X. Let's calculate the percentage change in quantity demand of good Y first. Initial quantity demand of good Y, quantity 1 equal 102,000 units. Final quantity demand of good Y, quantity 2 equal 800 units. Percentage change in quantity demand of good Y equal quantity 2 minus quantity 1 at quantity 1 times 100 equal 800 minus 1,200 at 1,200 times 100 equal negative 400 at 1200 times 100 and equal negative 33.33%. Next, let's calculate the percentage change in price of good X. Initial price of good X, P1 equal 27 ringgit. Final price of good X, P2 equal 23 ringgit. Percentage change in price of good X, P2 minus P1 at P1 times 100 equal 23 minus 27 at 27 times 100 equal negative 4 at 27 times 100 equal negative 14.81%. Now we can substitute the value into the CAD formula. CED equal percentage change in quantity demand of good Y at percentage change in price of good X equal negative 33.33% at negative 14.81% equal 2.25. Our choice is the cross elasticity of demand CAD for good Y with respect to the price of good X is 2.25. To determine whether good Y is a substitute for a complement to good X, we can examine the sign of the CED. If the CED is positive, it indicates that the goods are substitutes. If the CED is negative, it indicates that the goods are complements. If the CED is close to zero, it indicates that the goods are unrelated. In this case, since the CED is positive 2.25, good Y is considered a substitute for good X. This means that as the price of good X decreases, the quantity demand of good Y also decreases, suggesting that consumers are likely to substitute good X with good Y when the price of good X falls.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Izwan Hafiz bin Kaharuddin, BDB 2207115, and I'll be answering question number 3 and 4. So I will go to the third question first. Inferior products have a negative income elasticity of demand. Explain this statement. The statement inferior product have a negative income elasticity of demand means that as income increase, the quantity demanded of inferior products decrease. In other words, these products have a negative relationship with income. When people's income rises, they tend to shift their consumption towards higher quality or superior goods, resulting in a decrease in demand for inferior products. The next question. Suppose that when income increased from 2,900 to 3,250, quantity demanded changed from 2,010 to 2,270 units. Using the point slope elasticity approach, calculate income elasticity. To calculate the income, you have to use the point slope elasticity approach. We use the formula income elasticity of demand equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divide percentage change in income. First, let's calculate the percentage change in quantity demand. Change in quantity demanded equal to 270 minus 210 equal to 60. Percentage change in quantity demanded equal to change in quantity demanded divide to initial quantity demanded multiply by 100. So you will get 28.57%. Next, you have to calculate the percentage change in income. Change in income is equal to 3,250 minus 2,900 equal 350. Percentage change in income equal to change in income divide initial income multiply by 100. So you will get 12.07%. Now, you have to calculate the income elasticity of demand. Percentage change in quantity demanded divide percentage change in income, and you will get 2.37. So the answer for income elasticity of demand is 2.37. Next question. Based on this information, explain the type of this product. Based on the calculated income elasticity of approximately 2.37, we can determine the product in question is a normal good. A positive income elasticity greater than 1 indicates that the product is income elastic. This means that as income increases, the demand for the product increases at a proportionally higher rate. In this case, the quantity demanded increased by 2.37% for every 1% increase in income. Therefore, the product is not inferior but rather a normal good. For the fourth question, using supply analysis, sketch and explain the types of price elasticity of supply for each question. First question, when the price of good A is 200 ringgit, the quantity supplied is 100 units. When the price increased to 300, the quantity supplied is unchanged at 100 units. When the price of a good is 200, quantity supplied is 100 units. When the price increased to 300, the quantity supplied remains unchanged at 100 units. In this case, the percentage change in quantity supplied is 0%. Since the quantity supplied does not change, the percentage change in price is calculated as follows. Change in price equal to 300 minus 200 equal to 100. And percentage change in price equal to change in price initial price multiplied by 100. So you will get 50%. Therefore, for price elasticity of supply, 0% divide 50% equal to 0. A price elasticity of supply of 0 indicates perfectly inelastic supply. This means that the quantity supplied does not respond to any change in price. The supply curve is vertical, and producers are unwilling to adjust the quantity supplied in response to price changes. The next question. When the price of good A increased from 200 to 300, the quantity supplied of good A increased from 100 units to 130 units. When the price of good A increased from 200 to 300, the quantity supplied of good A increased from 100 units to 130 units. To calculate the percentage change in quantity supplied, change in quantity supplied equal to 130 minus 100 is equal to 30. Percentage change in quantity supplied equal change in quantity supplied divide initial quantity supplied multiplied by 100. So you will get 30%. To calculate the percentage change in price is equal to 300 minus 200 equal to 100. Percentage change in price equal to change in price divide initial price, and you will multiply by 100 and you will get 50%. Therefore the price elasticity of supply is 30% divide 50% equal to 0.6. Last question. When the price of good A increases from 200 to 300, the quantity supply increased from 100 units to 180 units. When the price of good A increased from 200 to 300, the quantity supply increased from 100 units to 180 units. To calculate the percentage change in quantity supply, 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. And percentage change in quantity supply is equal to change in quantity supply divide initial quantity, and you will get 80%. To calculate the percentage change in price equal to 300 minus 200 is equal to 100. is equal to 100, and percentage change in price equal to change in price divided initial price multiplied by 100, and you will get 50%. Therefore, for the price elasticity supply, 80% divided 50% is equal 1.6. A price elasticity supply of 1.6 indicates relatively elastic supply. Price elasticity supply of 0.6 indicates relatively inelastic supply. The quantity supplied responds to price changes but not proportionally. The supply curve is relatively steep, indicating that producers have some ability to adjust the quantity supplied, but it is limited. Price elasticity supply of 1.6 indicates relatively elastic supply. The quantity supplied responds to price changes in a proportionately higher magnitude. The supply curve is relatively flat, indicating the producers are responsive to price changes and can adjust the quantity supplied accordingly. In summary, the types of price elasticity of supply for each question are as follows: perfectly inelastic supply equal to 0, relatively inelastic supply equal to 0.6, and relatively elastic supply equal to 1.6.